Emma. A real robot. Wow, it's glowing. Our robot is glowing again.
Last time it made the microwave dance.
Initiating fun protocol. Beep, beep.
Today, I cooked something very special.
Is it food or your missing screwdriver?
Please don't explode again.
Ta-da!
Isn't it amazing? Wow. What is that?
It's incredible.
No! Don't press that. Ah, too late.
Warning, giggles may overload.
We're flying.
In bubbles?
What if it pops? Estimated landing. Squishy.